Today we are reviewing the X21 from WalkingPad. Let's go! Christmas is around the corner and it's the perfect timing to do a quick review about the X21. This bad boy can go up to 12 km/h, which means you can still run pretty fast from the comfort of your home. It is, yes, super heavy, but on the other hand, you can move it around with the front wheel very easily. You'll be able to store it behind the door, next to your fridge, anywhere in your house, and you will save a lot of space compared to a regular treadmill. You can fold it as you wish, so if you don't use it that often, you can still put it somewhere in your house without wasting too much space, and this is great. Yes, it's not as bulky as a regular treadmill, but it still gives you a ton of space to run and walk on the platform. You will also get a strong and big support for your book to watch your movies while working out. The X21 is literally the perfect option for someone that wants to push his fitness to the next level. They also got the X25, which is the big brother of the X21, but you can go up to 16 km/h. But for most people like you and me, 12 km/h is definitely enough. Another con is high price tag. Yes, it is an expensive machine, but 2 years later, I can definitely assure you this is a great investment. First, you're gonna use it every day, and this very heavy material is super solid. I also love the design, the color, and everything. I think it suits every apartment really well. It comes with a LED screen that will give you the speed, the distance, and even the calorie burn, which is pretty cool. You will also be able to use the app if you choose to. I haven't tried it so far, but it's still good enough for me. Regarding the noise, it's a treadmill, so of course you are going to make a little bit of noise, but trust me, not enough to go in a war with your neighbors. And if safety matters to you, it comes with a security attachment that will stop the machine if you fall from the treadmill. Overall, I think WalkingPad designed the X21 really well. 2 years later, I have literally no complaint, honestly. I got fitter than ever, and yes, it was a high price, but it was a very good investment. Health is wealth. Regarding the price, I do have an amazing news for you guys, because my code FITNESSFLO will unlock 30% off, which means if you decide to choose the X21, you will get $360 off. How about that, guys? This is literally the best time of the year to gift this to you or to your loved one, guys. Remember, code FITNESSFLO, and if you have any question, leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to reply. I wish you a Merry Christmas, guys, and I will see you very soon.